Hello, everyone. By promoting your page, you're promoting your business, company, product, brand, or even yourself. Be sure that you do that on a regular basis because competition is growing each day. Now, let's see how to use that promote button in order to be noticed and acknowledged. Leads, you can take it from here.
Hello everyone, Leeds here. Let's hit that promote button. Go to your Facebook page and click on promote. First, you can see the automated ads tab. You can create a personalized plan by choosing your ad account. In order to do that, you'll have to create an ad account. More information on that can be found in our video tutorial, how to use Facebook Ad Manager plus create campaign. First question you can see is, do you want people to come to your business location? Sometimes your business is online, so there's no need for someone to come up. The next question is, do you have a website? If you do, be sure that you add it. If you want people to contact you, in example, selling products or giving services, check that box as well as the type of contact. When knowing your audience, you can easily choose topics that they might like. You can add up to 6 ad versions or designs. Now you have your automated created ad. The next step is to click on Promote Now. If you're not satisfied with the ad, you can always click on the back button. In the settings part, you can set your ad. Special ad category. Be very careful with this part. If you're promoting credit, employment, housing, social issues, elections, or politics, be sure that you check the specific box. If you don't, there can be a problem and Facebook can ban you from promoting your ads. If you check this box, check one more time the audience, if it's adjusted the way you want it. Daily budget. Set your budget by moving your mouse or typing the number. Facebook automatically shows you the estimated reach, so be sure to save it. Audience. Part where you can create your audience if they're not in a special ad category. As shown on screen, you can create your own audience, show ads just to people that like your page. An example, you want to address them directly, give them some discount, or anything else. People who like your page and their friends. This is a good way to communicate with wider but still specific audience. People in the local area. If you have a bakery, small business that is vital for some local area, then use this audience. You can use the audience you've already created by clicking on its name. By clicking on Create New, the first thing you should do is choose a name that will tell you exactly what kind of audience it is. You're choosing gender if you want to target people with special products or offers. Choose the right age between 13 and 65 plus. Know your target group before starting to create your audience. Then you can type the location name, state, country, city, municipality, or just a street. Or you can just drop the pin and choose the range in kilometers or miles. Detailed targeting gives you the opportunity to choose among lots of interests. For example, jewelry lovers, sailing, health, truck drivers, demographics, interests, behaviors. Each category has its own subcategories. Take a slow and smart search. You're choosing your target group according to the goal you want to achieve. If it's brand awareness, choosing a wider audience can be really useful. If you're addressing people who like makeup and you have a small shop in a neighborhood, choose people who like beauty tips, makeup, or lifestyle. Placement. Facebook, Instagram, Messenger. Where would you like for your ad to show up? Check the desired ones. You do not have to have an Instagram profile in order to promote your post there. Choose a goal. Get more website visitors. Write the description, caption. Headline, button label if you want to call people to action, or website URL. Special ads category. We mentioned earlier in the video, just like for the audience. When it comes to duration, you can choose the exact number of days, boosting ending date, and total budget. Facebook will instantly show you estimated daily results, reach, and engagement. But keep in mind this word, estimated. Placement: Facebook, Instagram, Messenger. Where would you like for your ad to show? Check the desired ones, and you do not have to have an Instagram profile in order to promote your post there. Facebook Pixel. Choose whether or not would you like to use it. Check out our video tutorial how to create Facebook Pixel. Payment method. Check the card for payment and remember that you can always change it. Boost a post. Select the post that you want to boost. Be sure that you know how to do that. If you're not sure, check out our video how to boost Facebook post. Or you can do that following some steps that are already mentioned in the Get More website visitors part. Get more messages. Part where you promote and increase this type of communication. In this part, you have to fill in the blanks. Description, headline, special ads category already mentioned, as well as audience, duration, placement, and payment method. The difference is that here you have a send message button right on your ad design. Promote your page. Very important part for the growth of your business. By promoting your page, you're directly promoting your business, shop, service, or profile. Follow the steps like for boosting: ad description, special ads, audience, duration, and budget. Check estimated daily results and payment summary. Get more leads. Why do you need leads? Leads can be the essential part for your business, approaching people, followers, customers directly. You can send them personalized ads, offers, and information. It's easy to create leads form. Fill the info you want to receive and lead, phone number, email, question, language. Then, you have the same boosting steps as previously mentioned. Boost existing content. Same thing as for the boost a post and boost an Instagram post in a choose a goal part of this video. If you're not sure how to boost a post, you can check out our video, How to Boost Facebook Post. Or you can follow the previously mentioned steps in this video tutorial. Well, hope this was easy for you. If you want your business to grow and if you want to monetize your work, follow other Leads tutorials and we'll see you in the next video. Well, that's all for me in this video tutorial. See you in the next one.
Thank you, Leads. You've been very helpful.